This is Jason. That's who I am. I'm trying to restart my old business from Washington, Gear Auto Mechanical, and trying to get into this and get going right. But I've started doing more stuff that I'm doing for the first time, or stuff that I haven't done in years. The goal for today, or this video, is to replace this rusted out panel, repair the damage on the inside. I gotta watch out for this section, so I gotta be kind of light on it because there's backing metal there. Take out all the spot welds all the way around, remove this piece, check the piece inside, see what I need to do to repair that. I've looked from the outside and it looks pretty extensive, so we're gonna play it by ear. Hope you guys enjoy yourself. Alright, we finished the first cut. I think I've gotten down far enough. I missed the metal that I need to save. Now it's on to getting the spot welds out. And that'll hopefully go quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and turn back on the stereo, and you're not going to hear sound from the stereo or me. Haha. Have a good one. scrappy little job here. We got the outer spot welds off so far. Now we need to go ahead and get these spot welds off on this inner brace, so I can get the piece off and see what else I gotta do, and how bad the damage is, how much of the inside I gotta replace. But we're gonna save that for another video, and we're gonna go ahead and get this piece off, and you're gonna see me inspect it and figure out what we gotta do. So, any Hooters, have a good time watching. Gonna come off. Alrighty, well, we got the under panel off. We've got somebody's thought of repair, and there's a whole big mess in here. So I gotta take, if you take a look at this down here, this is the next piece to get taken care of. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet, but in the next video we will get back to you on that one. And this concludes today's session of Gear Auto Mechanical. Have a good one. Oh, like and one of those things, like and subscribe, and have fun. Enjoy your life.
Do it or else.
Yeah, do it or else.